some makeup before I leave. Meron lang ako ano ngayon. Singaw. I don't know saan galing tong singaw na to. Pero, sana mawala na. So, I'll be using this BB Holic Everyday BB Cream. Kung napanood yung mga first ever vlogs ko, ito yung holy grail ko na ever since. And hanggang ngayon na nagkaroon ako ng acne breakouts, tinigil ko siya pero I'm back. I'm back at using it. Kasi, hindi naman ako ina-acne dun. Ayoko na maglagay ng concealer. Kasi, nagbubuo-buo lang din siya. Dito sa mga created, created scars. I don't know kung tama yung created. Nakita ko lang siya sa sa isang video ng dermatologist or aesthetic clinic. Create daw yung scar. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. So, yeah. Mag-makeup lang ako, guys, and I'll be right back. Guys, so I'm done with my makeup look. I'm just going to put some accessories. Where is my necklace? Can't find it. I think I need to put this kind of thing sa skirt ko. Kind of thing sa skirt ko kasi ang duwag ng skirt ko, guys. Kailangan ganito siya. Dito. What do you think? Okay. Ganyan. You know, guys, self-care is very important. Pa nakaharap electric pan din, wala naman tao din. Wow, perfect. Don't forget to care about your skin, love your skin, and yung thing na check that out. Actually, ngayon ko lang natututunan yung mga bagay na to. It's 12:37, we have to go, guys. This. Basically, that's it. I'm ready to go. Okay, guys. So it's already 12:47 and I'm gonna be late. Kung hindi ako bibilisan. Gosh, you guys, wala akong dalang payong.